This is just a quick video on the Chronomite Laboratories point of use water heater. The complaint on this one was the water heater was not functioning properly. So basically you remove this and check. This is actually really the first thing that I do instead of just jumping off into getting a new unit. What I like to do first is I like to check this, and I like to check if the unit is actually clicking. So that was the click right there. When I removed this, all of this sediment right here was actually stuck in this I think it's called a flow restrictor. I don't remember what it's called, but now that it's been removed and it's been cleaned, hot water is back on. So that's just one of my troubleshooting methods for this particular water heater. It will save you a lot of money if you do that step first. So second step would be to check if the unit was actually turning on, and this one actually does turn on. See, when you open the hot water side of the faucet. So basically this one, very easy fix. Check the buildup on this strainer right here. If there's too much buildup on the strainer, it restricts the water from flowing, which restricts the there's a switch in here that turns on and off depending on the flow. So if you guys are having issues with your chronomite point of use water heater, basically it's usually almost always this right here that you got to check. See, and hot water, it's all good. Thanks for watching.